Yo guys, it's Jin and welcome back to another gaming video. So previously, there's not a previously. So last time I was playing Escapist, but 2 times actually in a row. But I got bored of it because, well, not really bored of it. More of like guys might get bored of me just making Escapist videos. So I'm gonna switch it up now. So as you can see, I'm playing Don't Starve, and we have the I think mod Reign of the Giants, I think, and if I believe that's like a first person thing. I don't really know, but whatever. Let's start playing it. So this is like, oh yeah, I played this before. Let me start a new game, and let me fix my character. This character right here is OP somewhat, kinda. Okay, so the fire starter. Let's start. Okay, so this game is pretty much how do I explain this? Like a survival game where you have to feed yourself, like pretty much real life, but also not real life. I don't really know how to explain it, so you'll just have to see for yourself. So perfect. We're starting. Okay, let's go, boy. Say, pal, you don't look so good. You better find something to eat before night comes. Okay. Oh, come on. Okay, I forgot I have the thing on. But, okay. The controller on, so. Let's start. We have a lighter. Let me equip it. No. Pick up. Wait, how do I use this? Okay. How do I use the lighter? I think that, no wait, it's already going on its own. Okay. Let's inspect this. It looks like it will burn as well. Why want it? Yeah! Burn, baby! Okay, let's actually start playing. Tools. We need we need X right now, so let's go get some let's go get some saplings and some sticks. This can actually get boring sometimes, but it's actually pretty fun if you're actually patient. So wait, let me try something. How about if we... No, wait, I already have it. I can't burn it, dang it. Okay, let's go find me some sticks. Oh no, wait, I already have enough. Okay, now we need a stone. But actually, come to think of it, so dumb. You have to get some seeds because this is one of our sources of food. You know? Pick that flower up. Pick that up as well. Flowers are actually edible in this game. I think we have enough for an axe. Nope, not yet. We need one. No, yeah, we need one. Ooh, actual food. No, wait, no, it's just a pine cone. There you go, actual food. Let's pick that up. Okay. Oh yeah, there you go. We got berries as well. Pick that up. I don't even know if it's poisonous or not, but of course, I'm still gonna eat it because I might die. You know. Where the heck do you get stone here? It's like impossible to find stone. There you go, finally. You don't know this game is actually this game's resources are super hard to find, and if you die, it's permadeath. So not die essentially. Okay, there you go. Now to do this, you have to equip it. There you go. I equipped it. Oh no, wait, I already have it. So Now I get to chop trees, but I also have durability. So every time I chop a tree, my durability goes down by 1 every time. So I don't know if you don't know this, or if you know this or not, but if you don't, you also don't live life. So yeah. Okay, I don't know if I can burn that, but we have to get our resources and stuff because night's coming soon. Let me see. Let me check. Oh wait, oh my gosh. Shift tab. Oh my I hate it when this happens. There you go. Oh, it's almost night time. Well, I don't know if you saw that or not, but yeah. Okay, now for me I have to do this as well. Ooh, grass. Okay, we can pick up grass. For me, it's a technique to actually put your fire. Wait. Give me a second. No, I'm talking about this. No. Oh crap. Oh well, whatever. I mean, I can survive right now. I have this. No, wait. I don't know what to do. Fire pit. Let's go get some rocks. This game is that type of game that you're such a nerd. You don't know what to do if you're just starting off. Well, like every other game, but this game's extra hard since I don't know, it's just plain out hard. Okay, okay. This is such a boring map. I tell you, I played about 5 rounds of this game, and this is the most boring map I've seen. No rocks, no nothing. Okay. Flowers. You have to get your food, man. Yeah. I agree. Where's my stuff? I guess I need this for one. Okay, I can make one. Now, as I said, it's a smart idea for, at least for me, to stay at the corner because, oh crap. Oh wait, let me equip this. RT equip. Select. Select put. Oh, okay. Swap. And there you go. Now I'm providing light so I don't die. Let me pick up some berries. This is why this character is somewhat OP. I don't know if you run out of lighter fluid, but oh dude, this character though, she can survive the darkness without dying because she has her own source of light, and she can burn stuff too. Now as it gets darker, yeah, see, I'm not gonna be able to see anything at all. Well, good thing for me. Oh, I need, no, that's why. Okay, now I remember why I lost. Build it here. Build it here. The frick? Do I have to use my mouse? Oh lord. Oh, I have to stop. Okay, there you go. Yes, there you go. Now, I don't know if I have lighter fluid or anything, so I'm just gonna swap it back so I don't waste it. Now, the annoying thing here is, wait, you're gonna see later. There are some monsters that come out of the dark, and yeah, they only appear in the dark, but as you can see, my campfire gets darker each time, so I mean runs out of fire each time, so I have to keep getting these wood. Oh, sword, getting used to the controller. I have to get these twigs and fill her up, you know. Okay, add fuel. See, it gets lighter. Now, let me pick up some flowers. I don't know if she could talk. Oh wait, yes, she could talk. So I'm just think of a voice. When it comes to the time, I'm gonna think of a voice. But there, oh, that's actually pretty quick. I ain't complaining though, because you know doing this is very nice indeed. Oh, there you go, lag but saved as well. So I don't know if you're getting bored or not, but thank you for the free views. Oh my gosh, I sound like a sellout. Okay, let's pick up some more rocks so I can make a such a sellout. Let's pick up some more rocks so I can make some stuff. This is what I want, the fire pit. Wait, what? Oh my, I'm so dumb. Well, there goes my knowledge. As you can see right there, my knowledge also goes down. So as my knowledge goes down, my real life knowledge goes down as well. Okay. Swap this with that. Okay. Now we will have to chop up, we have to mine down some wood. I mean some rocks, because these are flip, not rocks. Apparently I don't have the time to read, which is kinda true. Okay. I saw some rocks earlier. Let's see if it's still there. Okay. We have enough food to last us the whole year. So let's eat this. Eat. Oh no wait, I just have to eat it like that. Eat. No! Whoa! The frick is wrong with you, nerd? The frick is that? Yummy. There you go. Eat. That guy freaking scared me. That guy's issues. Okay. I'm tired of picking these things up, so I'll just go pick up some berries and stuff, because the flint I have enough, so thank you. What I need though is, give me the rocks. The rocks is where it's at. Wait, give me a there. Is that spider den? Would I dare? Why not? Why not? Okay. That scared me. It's as scary as dropping your phone in the toilet. There you go, rocks. Gold nugget, rocks, flint. Oh, there you go. What voice do I do with the girl? I can't do that. Well, sounds like Mickey Mouse, but okay, that's good enough for me. That's why this game gets interesting. Like there's a section there called science, so I can make stuff like science machine, and that's what's gonna allow me to do other stuff. And mining these also gives me, yes, gold. Wait, no wait, that's not gold. There's gold right over here, gold nuggets. But the annoying thing here is I just mined 3 rocks, and my durability of my pickaxe is already 27%. Is there an item there that prevents me from losing my stuff? Nitro. Okay. Also, the best part here is, you can see there are monkeys that throw poop at you. Yes, you heard me correctly. The best part is monkeys poop at you. You know, it's always a good day when monkeys throw fecal matter at you, because it's just fun to have monkeys throw fecal matter. The night is coming. I better blah blah blah. I think it's a smart idea to. I'm not near the edge. Fire pit. Now it's also gonna run out of stuff, but the best part here is, like, let me show you. we have campfire, and we have fire pit. Now the campfire, what it does is it provides light when burning. While the same thing here, a safer, more efficient campfire. So this, I believe, runs out faster than this. And when this runs out of fire, you can't refill it. Unlike the fire pit where you can refill it anytime. So yeah. Also, check something. Dang it, I wanted to make some science. Because science is always good. And I somehow caught a butterfly. Let me go. The controls are confusing, I have to say. Let's go cook some carrots. Oh, you can't get any more? Oh, okay. I'm just gonna have to eat some butterfly wings. Well, that was weird. I can't believe you eat everything you see. I bet you monkeys are gonna throw poop at me and I'll just start eating them. But, back to the topic. Oh, actually there's no topic, let's be honest. Oh wow, actually, we've hit 16 minutes. Probably gonna be like 9 minutes for you right now. But okay. Oh my. I wanna cook it. Let me cook it. Cook. And then cooking then is very yummy, and when you eat it, I can't speak dumb. I'll be honest. And we've run out of stuff, so let me go chuck some wood in, cause why the freak not? Add fuel. Wood. Wood. So flammable. I can't do the voice. It's just hard. Okay. Now that we've added more fuel, let's go back to cooking it. Cook. Now, as you can see, I don't know if you can see my mouse cursor right here. This represents my stomach. It's pretty somewhat half full right now. I don't know what the heck pretty much somehow half full right now means, but it's a word. So just deal with it. Pretty much somehow half full now. Okay. Now this is my health, and this is my knowledge. Now I'm a very smart person. That's why I have a science thing right here, science machine, and I can make it. That's how I can prove I'm smart. But back to the topic. Wait, I have to fill this in. This is what gets annoying here. Oh, look. I'll show you something after this. I know you can see it right here. There you go, finally. As you can see, a few seconds ago, my stomach was pretty much half full. Pretty much somehow half full. Yes, okay. But right now, it looks like it's a dying fruit that came out of the emoji. That's actually emoji. And it's a little bit below half. So what I can do is, let's say it's like a flower. Wait. Let's say that petals right here. If I eat it, is it? I don't know. I can't really see. It's not really filling me. Let's be honest. Okay. Wait. Let me pick that up. Let me pick that back up. It's barely filling me up, but I think it's making me smarter. I can't see. The game recorder I use has a cursor and it's covering up my knowledge. So yeah, I need food badly. That's exactly why I roasted some carrots. Yo, carrots. Let's think of a roast. I can't think of a roast right now. My brain is tired AF. Okay, let's go get some more stuff, because I need some fire. chop some evergreen. After this, I think I have to end it. So, very sad, I know. I wanna check. I wanna see some. I wanna check out something. But if I go chop this up, I'm pretty sure I'm dead. But hey, I'm dead. Okay. What you want? What you want? Oh, oh. What you want? Yeah, the thing on. Oh, I got it. I got it. Bye. I actually become smart and equip this. Yes. Burn! Oh, wait. I clicked the wrong button. Oh! I don't know if you can see it right now. It's so laggy. Burn! Did you get? I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Die. Oh, it's so laggy. The freak happened to the FPS. It's you or me. It's you or me, boy. Come on, we're gonna survive this. We can survive this. Come on. Let's do this. Hooah! What you want? 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 Oh! Oh! I just massacred that beehive. Oh! Look at that health. Look at that health. Can't you see I'm one hit away? But then I came up to him and said, what you want? Burned him to crisp. And there you go. He drops his honey. Oh! Baby boy. Oh! Yes. Man, I love honey. You got a straggler. I don't know if I want to risk it. Actually, I'll be honest. I'll probably not edit any of these out. So you're probably just gonna see 22 minutes. Okay. Let me add some more fuel. Cause why not? See, after I get hyped by murdering and massacring that beehive, you know, I just go back, warm me up some fire, and you know, yes, I know it's flammable, but can you please start lighting it up? Let me go get some more wood. No, I'm not gonna light that up because it looks like it would burn well. Yeah, I know, but I'm not burning that because reasons. There you go. I found a quick select. You know, just my average daily chopping wood, massacring some bees, and overall just a fun day. Let me go cook some stuff. What else could I cook here? I can cook berries. Yes, I know it tastes the best, but cook it. Cook the thing. There you go. Yes. I need fire. What are you looking at right now? Oh, we're 23 minutes in. I gotta end this soon. Let me eat this. Oh, this one's good. It's also filling my health up. Dude, I love berries. And why not? Let's go. I thought you can eat a pine cone. Hey there, tree seed. What else can you do with honey though? Let's be honest. I can make a pitchfork. What do? Move the ground around. So, what frick does that mean? Oh, my PC is running low. Oh, crap. Okay. Well, I gotta say, I have to end it right here. There's nothing else to do. So, I have to wrap this this episode of, what is it called again? a dawn star right here, right now. So yeah, see you next time or tomorrow. Yeah, and bye bye. Still haven't figured out my outro yet, and bye. Done.